Google's upcoming Pixel 10 series is getting closer to launch, and now we have the clearest look yet at the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL. These new images, leaked by the reliable Evan Blass, show every angle, curve, and color in stunning detail just days before the official August 20th announcement. The standard Pixel 10 might just steal the spotlight this year. It's arriving with a striking new Limoncello color, a bold, bright yellow that replaces the Pixel 9's much softer wintergreen shade. The 6.3-inch display model wears this vivid hue proudly, making it one of the most eye-catching pixels. In recent years, if you love bold colors, Limoncello will probably be your favorite. However, this shade is exclusive to the base Pixel 10. The Pro and Pro XL models won't get it, and the same goes for two other new colors, Indigo, a deep and rich blue, and Frost, a sleek light gray. Alongside these, all models will still have the classic Obsidian option as safe, dark grayish black for those who prefer a more understated look. Compared to last year's palette, Google is mixing things up by dropping peony and porcelain from the Pixel 9 lineup and giving us this fresh set of options. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 doesn't shake things up too much from the Pixel 9. The triple rear camera system still sits in a familiar horizontal bar, and the overall profile is slim, with the power and volume buttons on one side and a clean, button-free edge on the other. The bezels, frame curves, and overall structure feel familiar, which may be good news for fans of Google's design consistency. One small change that could be hiding under the surface is a slightly thicker and heavier body for the Pixel 10. While some might see that as a drawback, it could actually be a plus, because the battery size is rumored to jump from 4,700 mAh to nearly 5,000 mAh. That extra capacity should help deliver the 24-plus-hour battery life Google is promising in its marketing, just like it did last year, but hopefully with more real-world reliability this time. When we move to the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL, things get a little less adventurous in terms of style. These top-tier models will be offered in Obsidian, Porcelain, and Moonstone. While these are classy and professional shades, they might feel a bit too safe, especially after the Pixel 9 Pro introduced the beautiful rose quartz color last year. There is one standout, though. The Pixel 10 Pro XL will also come in a jade green option. It's a refreshing and premium-looking color, though oddly, it's not pictured yet for the smaller Pro model. This choice might make the XL feel a little more special, but for now, it seems Google is playing it relatively conservative with its Pro color range. Apart from colors, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL also keep most of last year's design language. The camera layout, bezel size, and button placement are nearly identical to the Pixel 9 Pro series. This means you'll get the same recognizable Pixel look, but without any major physical redesigns. In terms of specs, we're not expecting massive leaps either. The Pro models may see a small battery boost, but likely nothing as large as the standard Pixel 10's upgrade. Charging speeds might also improve slightly, though Google still lags behind many competitors in this area. Other refinements possibly in camera performance, software optimizations, and display quality should be revealed during the official launch. As for release timing, all three models are set to be fully unveiled on August 20th. However, if you're waiting for the most premium member of the family, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, you might need more patience. Reports suggest that this foldable could launch later, with deliveries possibly slipping into October. That could give the regular Pixel 10 lineup a bit more breathing room in the spotlight before the foldable steals attention. So what's the takeaway from these leaks? For one, Google is clearly focusing on color variety this year, giving buyers more ways to express their style, especially with the playful Limoncello and sophisticated Indigo options for the base model. The Pro series, while less colorful, still offers a premium look with subtle finish and one unique jade variant for the XL. On the flip side, the overall design of the Pixel 10 series feels safe, maybe a little too safe for those hoping for something radically new. The improvements seem to be coming more in battery life, possibly charging, and maybe under-the-hood performance tweaks that Google will highlight during the launch. With the August 20th event just around the corner, it won't be long before we know all the details, whether you're drawn to the bold Limoncello Pixel 10 or holding out for the more refined Pro models. One thing is certain, the Pixel 10 family is shaping up to be a strong continuation of Google's smartphone vision, familiar in design, but fresh in personality thanks to these vibrant new colors.